Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English.
If you're pregnant and you are at your home, then there are few things that you need to avoid while being at home. First thing, you need to understand that during pregnancy you need to relax your body as much as you can. So even if you are at your home, do not do a lot of things, a lot of household activities. Just understand that you are not stretching your working hours. You need to understand that you should not stand for a long duration. If you are in the kitchen, then definitely take small breaks. So you need to relax frequently in between your household works. Second thing, you need to understand that if you are going for sweeping or mopping the floor, kindly avoid it. Though other people say that it has got a lot of benefit in the normal delivery, but definitely it can cause more of the adverse thing. I understand that there are some of the benefits of mopping and sweeping, but you do not know how to do it when you are pregnant, because your muscles can stretch where they don't need to stretch, and it could impact your pregnancy. And also, when you're doing these things, you're in a kind of a wet environment where the chances of slipping are very much higher. Third thing you need to understand is that you're not climbing the stairs, you're not using the stairs very frequently, because this is also not at all good for you. When you climb up the stairs or when you come down from the stair, it put pressure on your back and leg, and you can have back pains. So as much you can avoid it, it is good for you. Fourth thing, you need to understand that if you are doing any sort of small cleaning as well in your home, then you need to avoid the chemicals, because during pregnancy the smelling power is increased many folds, and this could cause you nausea or a sense of vomiting. And these chemicals are also not good for you, because somehow they get inhaled via the breath and it could reach to the baby. So this is a very bad situation. Last but not the least, you need to avoid lifting heavy items at home. Sometimes it is required to do some heavyweight activities at home. That this could be very bad for you. You do not need to stretch your body, because lifting the things up could have adverse effect on the baby's health, and also it could lead to the miscarriage. So kindly avoid these activities at your home while you're pregnant. So guys, this was all about I need to inform you. Hope you have understood everything and you will abide by it.